For Margaret Morales' Down the Rabbit Hole in 60 by 82 cm, we start the special treatment with some electric diamonds sprinkled in the background on the bottom, on the sides, and on top of Alice. For version 2, we now add snow pearls for the cards, and that would be the right arrow on the playing cards that we see floating around Alice. For the third and final version of Down the Rabbit Hole by Margaret Morales, we now add sapphire to the code G on her shoes. That's what we see glistening in blue. And we also add some sapphire on her headband or ribbon on her hair. That's the blue that we see right there sparkling. So only on those two areas, on her ribbon in her hair and on her shoes, the code G, big letter G, you put sapphire.